Hey everyone, it's Darlene here, and I'm here to do my Boxyluxe unboxing video for September of 2019. And I've not opened it, so I do not know what's in here yet. So you'll be seeing what's in here with me. So let me go ahead and open it. I came prepared today. Scissors. So I have to open it with my teeth or something like that. Go ahead and open it. I'm probably not the safest person with scissors. And I might add, this box is like massive this month. I'm excited to see what's in here. Okay, I need to move my drink so that I don't spill it all over my stuff. Okay, so, ooh, when you open it, look at this. You just kind of see everything on top. This month's theme is Boxycharm All Access, is what it says. And, does it say variation? I got variation number 19L. I don't know what that means. I don't know what the letters mean because it usually doesn't have like a number, not a number. It usually doesn't have a letter, so I don't know what the L stands for. Okay, I don't want to look at the back yet because I want to be surprised. Okay, so the first thing that I see, other than the bubble wrap, ooh, Clean Skin Club. So this is the first thing I see, and it's a water bottle. I did choose this because they gave me the chance to choose some of the items that I got, and I did choose this. So go ahead and open it. Okay, there she goes. Okay, so it's a big old water bottle. And they actually package this quite well. And you can infuse it, like you can put cucumbers, strawberries, and stuff. I really like that. I like how it has this grip thing right here too. So you grip it like this. Very nice. So I did choose that, like I said, and it also like latches right there with that metal thing, so if you don't want it to open. And it also has a clip, so you can clip it to you. So that was the first thing that's in the box. Let me see how much that retails for. Clean Skin. This retails for $17.95. So that's quite pleasant to receive in there. Ooh, the next thing that I see is this IGK, and it's a hydrating hair balm. I like this brand. I actually have some stuff by this brand. I really do like this brand. So this is just a leave-in conditioner that won't weigh down your hair. And hello, that's exactly what I need. Being bleach blonde, this is gonna be amazing. And this retails for $29, so 30 bucks. That's really good. I'm glad we got that because like I said, I do know that I do like this brand. So yes, I'm excited about that. Let me go ahead and smell it. It smells like coconut. It smells very tropical. I really like that. So yes, excited about that. The next thing that I see is a Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. So this is probably a full size. This brand's kind of expensive and it doesn't always have a lot of product, but it says apply mask to clean dry skin before bedtime. Do not rinse. Use nightly. So I'm excited to use this, and this retails for $52. That is insane. $52. Oh my goodness. Okay, and it is sealed, which I do like because I do have a lot of skincare that I'm currently using right now. So I'll probably wait to use this until I use up some of my stuff because I'm literally like overflowing with skincare. So $52, that's like insane. That's so expensive. Okay, so the next thing I see is this Sutra, and it is a 32 millimeter 1 1/4 inch clipless curling iron. So it does not have a clip. I can figure out it's completely sealed. Okay. And this retails for $65. I did choose this too. I think it was between this and then the Tarteless contour palette, and I already have that palette, so no, it was between a brush set. Okay, it was a brush set. That's what this one was. And I did choose this. This one was the contour palette, and I already had that contour palette, and I do like it a lot, but I really wanted this. So So I'm excited to use this. That is a really nice wand, really big. Just wrap your hair. And I'll do a tutorial using this so I let you guys know how I like it, how it works, because it is pretty and everything. It did not come with a glove, which is really strange. Most of the time these come with gloves so you don't burn your hand, which would have been nice, but I do not see one in here. So yeah, so this retails for $65, right? Is that what I said? Yeah, $65. So that is amazing that we got that in there. The brush set did look nice and everything, but I have so many makeup brushes, and honestly, I have like maybe 3 curling wands, so I was more excited to get that. Okay, I'm getting like tons of plastic everywhere. Okay, so the next thing that I see in the box is this Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum Brightening Plus Smooth Cream. And I did see this on their thing. Hold on, let me get my handy dandy scissors so I'm not like killing myself trying to open this. Ooh, I actually just noticed something. So this also has like how much from 8 a.m. 2 p.m. like how much water you should be drinking, and it has ounces, like 32 ounces. I did not notice that at first. That is pretty cool. So I'm loving that. That's gonna be so nice. And I've been drinking more water here lately, so yay. So this is what the cream looks like. Let's see if it has a smell. I am getting the pineapple scent. I did get the pineapple scent. It smells kind of awkward. I don't know how I'm gonna like that smell. It smells like pineapple, but something else with it. But let me see how much this retails for. This retails, what is the brand? Glow Recipe. This retails for $49. That's really expensive. 50 bucks for this? I'm always for skincare though, so I'm not gonna complain. The next thing that I see is this Spongeal Salted Rose Mani-Pedi treatment set. And this retails for $18. So, okay, they're just like feet scrubs. They smell really good. So it's just like those little things that you scrub on your feet. And I guess they have like soap or something in them. So yay, so you just put them like this. I'm just gonna put them back, and yeah, so $18, that's not bad for those. Which my feet need them right now. I'm actually about to take a trip to the beach. We rented a beach house for like a week, so that'll be quite fun. Okay, so the next thing that's in the box is this Hank and Henry, what is it, Slick With It. So this is a black eyeliner. Yeah, liquid eyeliner, cool. I could use a new eyeliner, and this retails for $20. So I like that it has the little thing that shakes it and keeps it flowing. So yes, I'm excited about that. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Let you guys kind of see it. I realize I haven't really got makeup, which is fine. I really don't need makeup. Like, if you've seen my makeup collection, you would slap me. It's ridiculous. So I'm okay not having makeup. Okay. Oh, do you see that? Is this like broken or something? It was like literally pouring out. Oh my gosh. That is like, it's like literally like pouring out. My Lanta. Hold on, let me get a baby wipe. That is crazy. Yeah, I think mine may be broken. Let's hope, like, if anybody's else did that, let me know. Like, is this broken? Because I don't think it's supposed to do that. If I was like almost done with my eye makeup and I went to put this on and it did that all over my eyes, I'd be so upset. Like, that's not even cool. No. Look at this. Look how much just like poured out. I'm gonna go ahead and write them and let them know that I think they gave me a broken one, because that's redonkulous. That is like half the product just went out. And I was excited about that. I don't know what exactly happened there. And now I'm like, got it all over me. It's like staining my skin. Okay. Yeah, that was kind of disappointing, but I mean, it is what it is. Can't really do anything about it. Okay, so yeah, that retails for $20. Hopefully that did not happen to you. If it did, let me know. Was it just me? Did I just get it like a doozy? Mine maybe just like broken or something, or cracked. I don't know exactly what happened. Okay, so that retails for $20. The next thing that's in the box, oh my goodness, is this palette right here. It is the Tarte High Performance Neutrals palette, and I was actually hoping that I would get this. Like, out of all of them, I was leaning towards this one the most, although I would have liked any of them. I really, really do like this because it has a little bit of everything. Oh. I love the smell of Tarte products. Look at that, how pretty. It has a contour and 2 bronzing shades, and then it also has just like really neutral eyeshadows that will go with any day. Like, this is like everyday look, and you can take it from daytime to nighttime really easily. So I am super excited about this. Let me go ahead and swatch like the contour shade. These are like the 3 different shades. Let me get that one. So as you can see, those are just the 3 different contour shades. And I'm going to go ahead and do the light shade, the eyeshadow. So that's this one. Let me do this one. Ooh, that's going to be really pretty. It's a really good transition shade. Oh, I kind of did that one higher. So that's the last one. And then let's do the darker ones. Okay, the very bottom one. Ooh, that's so pretty. This one's a lot deeper, so this is what I'm talking about. And these are like really, really like, just really soft. And then the black, which you can also use as a liner. Look at that. Very pigmented. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do the highlight shades as well. Let's just go right there. So that's a good brow bone shade. I'm like getting it everywhere. Where did I put that? Let's try that one. Ooh. Ooh, that is so pretty. And then that last one is right there. Look how pretty. So that is an amazing palette, and this retails for $45. That is awesome. I'm so excited. And it also comes with a like a little thing that shows you how to get some of the looks with that. Ooh, I do have one more thing. Okay, it's a lot. So this is Stila, and it is a all-day shimmer liquid lipstick. I love liquid lipsticks. Ooh, I don't know if I like this color. I don't really like pinks. I don't know why. Maybe it'll look prettier on. Yeah, that's pretty. I like that. It's not as pink as I thought it was. Let me see. I was trying to do it with my camera. I did not get on my lips really well. So yeah, it is a really pretty shade. It is shimmer. It's like almost like a metallic looking pink, but it's not too metallic. It's like wearable, because I'm not really into the metallic lipsticks, but I do like this. And this retails for $22. So let me go ahead and add up everything, because yes, that's everything that's in the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and add all this stuff up, and I will let you know how much this whole entire box was worth. Okay, so this month's box value was $317.95. How awesome is that? And I spent $49.99. That is amazing. A little bit more now that they do have that state tax that they've added on, but it's only like a couple dollars more than that. So that is not bad. for that much products. I mean, I'm amazed. I'm always amazed. I'm always super excited about my BoxyCharm. Like literally, this is like more than you would get for your birthday or something. So when you have BoxyCharm, it's like having your birthday every month. Super exciting. And yeah, so that completes this video. And just to let you know, if you haven't already, please like this video, subscribe. And if you keep watching, I will be uploading a video of using some of the products that I received in this month's box. And I'll let you know how I'm liking them and what I love. And if I do not like something, what I dislike. Please subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll be notified when I do upload those videos. And yeah, so that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye. God bless.